So, good morning. I think today is 21. Did I just say? We're so near to the 25th. Like, where did the days go by? I woke up a bit early today. I don't know why. Well, my aircon, like, literally shut down. And yeah, it's a Saturday. I really have no plans today, but I'm here right now at the gasoline station just getting some air, and I also got coffee here. And look how sweet cashiers where I usually get my coffee, they gave me a calendar. So let's see what happens today. I'm probably just gonna do like chores, get my stuff done and stuff. So yeah. Okay, so I just got done up because I'm gonna be heading over to the other house to pick up my sister. We're gonna go to the mall today because I want to check again iPhones or the iPads that are in stock now, or like that are available now, because I really wanna. So we arrived at the mall and we have a good parking because here's the car and here, and entrance is just here. Okay, so we just finished our brunch and now we're just gonna be walking around, and we found this. So we do have a movie around 8 p.m. and so we're just killing time, and then yeah, that's the plan.
Yeah, and before I end this, you know, she even we went to we went beside the tree just to vlog because she was like, wait, oh my god, there's people, and I'm like, ba't ka pa nahihiya? There's like no one here.
I clipped in my nails, but then the other one fell, so
Me.
okay,
I'm
I'll
the
take
one
a
that fell. And the clip that fell.
oh god. Okay.
Insert the montage now.
currently I'm in like the lounge area waiting for my sister because she just did some business. And yeah, I think we're just gonna cap off the night with a movie and we'll see what else are we gonna be doing. But yeah, so far that's the plan. In the mall area, there's a lot of people, but in the cinema area, there's really not much. I feel like no one's gonna be watching or no one's planning on watching anything.
Going back to what I said, I'm a big fan of horror. Like, I love horror stuff. I love watching scary stuff, even though it's scary. But
I have a feeling that it's just gonna be the two of us watching because when we checked the seating arrangements, none was taken.
But that was so early. But it was so early when we
What
bought
if
tickets.
it's just the two of us?
Then that's
Shit.
that's even more
Wait,
fun. I would actually like that.
Better. Okay, so first we got this one. Well, I got this one because I've been like looking for a good under eye whatever to like get my under eyes together. So this is I think 99 or 100 for just 3 pairs. And then we also got my sister asked for the concealer. This is shade, what shade is it? 10. And then also one more thing that I saw. This is from Fresh Skin Lab. This is an eye gel. So let's see how it works. This is the first time I'm gonna be using this. And then last, I've been using the Velos toner, but then it came with this one, so I just had to get it. So yeah, that's our mini haul.
So that's all.
What's this? This is yours.
This is an Okinawa milk tea.
And then I got the brown sugar one for cheat day. Yeah, and then we got barbecue popcorn just to share because we already ate earlier. So yeah, we still have like 30 minutes. Yeah.
So we're just gonna chill.
Sorry. So, ba tayo?
Yeah.